Hi guys, this is Bilal. Today we are going to deal with strings. We are going to check that whether our string starts with a vowel or consonant. So let's begin. I am going to declare a string and then I am going to take input for that string. I am going to take input for the string using getLine, because the advantage of getLine is that it includes spaces also. It does not end up when it sees a space, or otherwise if we use cin, cin will stop taking input when it encounters a space. So getLine is better to use in this case. The syntax of getLine is like this: you write in the parentheses and then comma, and after comma you will write the name of the earlier declared or specified string. Okay, now I'm going to use an if statement, and as you know that starting of string is the first character which is stored at 0 index of the string, so we can compare that character. So str0 a or str0 is equal to e, or str0 equal to I, or str0 is equal to e, or similarly the last vowel u, right? If any of these condition is true, then it will show out a message that our string is starting with a vowel. In the else case, we are going to write, or we are going to show just a message that it is starting with a consonant. Right? So let's check. I'm going to give an input for a string, write that you are a good boy. So as you can see, this string is starting with y, which is not a vowel, so it will probably show a message that the string is starting with a consonant. And see, it has shown the message the string is starting with a consonant. So now let's take again input, and this time the first letter I use will be a vowel. So I say I am a boy, right? As you see, it's starting with a vowel, so it's that easy. There is no difficulty in this, but you have to take care of the quotation marks while comparing. If you use double quotation marks instead of single, then you will probably get an error of, you can see, yes, here it says forbids comparison between pointer and integer. It's because an double quotation mark shows a string, so comparing with a string means you are comparing with an address of that value. You're comparing with a pointer, means that string contains an address, so it does not compare a pointer, means an address, with an actual value which is str0. It is not possible to compare an address with a value. So this is the case. You have to take care of this as well. Use single quotation marks and you will be good. Thanks.